Greater Manchester is a city that rebuilt itself from the ashes of the Industrial Revolution, a place where Victorian warehouses stand alongside glass towers, where history and innovation collide on every street corner. But what you're seeing right now, this is nothing compared to what's coming. Welcome to 2026, the year Greater Manchester transforms itself once again. Not with cotton mills and canals this time, but with billion-pound megaprojects that will redefine what it means to be a northern powerhouse. From a 76-story skyscraper backed by Hollywood royalty to Britain's largest well-being resort and a stadium expansion that will make the Etihad one of Europe's premier venues, Greater Manchester is writing its next chapter in steel, glass, and concrete. Let's explore the biggest megaprojects that will change Greater Manchester in 2026. Our journey begins at the home of Manchester City Football Club, a stadium that's about to become much more than just a place to watch football. The Etihad Stadium North Stand expansion isn't just adding seats, it's creating a £300 million entertainment destination that will rival anything Europe has to offer. Firstly, the project will start with an expansion that will increase its capacity to over 61,000 once complete. Rising above the upper tier will be a spectacular skybar, offering uninterrupted views over the pitch. And adjacent to that, a stadium roof walk experience will let visitors traverse the very top of this iconic venue, taking in panoramic views of East Manchester and beyond. But the real transformation happens at ground level. A covered City Square fan zone with capacity for 3,000 people will become the heartbeat of matchday atmosphere, featuring food and drink outlets, entertainment, and that electric pre-match buzz amplified tenfold. Rising behind the north, stand the Medlock, a 401-room hotel developed in partnership with Radisson Hotel Group. Furthermore, a state-of-the-art museum experience will tell the story of Manchester City's incredible journey from third-tier obscurity to four-time consecutive Premier League champions. The North Stand itself is on track to open during the 2025-26 football season. That means fans could be experiencing the expanded capacity as early as January 2026 following test events. The hotel, workspace, food and beverage outlets, and City Square will follow, with completion targeted for late 2026. In May 2025, Manchester City and construction partner CISC celebrated the installation of the final steel structure. The Director of Infrastructure Development described it as an exciting moment that gives a real sense of the scale of the expansion. And this fits into a broader vision. The expanded stadium sits alongside the 23,500 capacity Co-op Live Arena, a joint venture between City Football Group and Oakview Group that's already hosting world-class entertainment. Together, they're transforming East Manchester into a genuine entertainment quarter that rivals anything in Europe. Our next destination sits near the Trafford Centre, and it represents one of the most ambitious leisure developments the UK has ever seen. Welcome to Therme Manchester, a £450 million well-being resort that will redefine what leisure and wellness mean in northern England. On September 12, 2025, construction officially began following a beyond groundbreaking ceremony that brought together local leaders, partners, and community members. Professor David Russell, CEO of Therme UK, called it the official beginning of a once-in-a-generation project for Manchester and the Northwest. This mega project will be built on an 11.5 hectares site, and when complete in late 2028, Therme Manchester will feature the largest indoor thermal pool complex in Europe under one roof, along with outdoor experiences, botanical gardens, and immersive art installations. The number of facilities in the construction development is staggering. We are talking about 10 indoor and outdoor pools maintained at a balmy 33 degrees Celsius year-round, more than 25 water slides, the largest sauna area in the UK with multiple steam rooms and spa facilities, a wave pool for children and families, and something truly unique, the UK's first indoor all-season beach with lapping waves. Therme Manchester is designed around three distinct zones. The first zone features the family zone, which brings play, fun, and connection across indoor and outdoor settings. The second zone is the premium well-being zone, a peaceful, adults-only area dedicated to rest and rejuvenation, precisely focusing on premium experiences like mineral baths, waterfall showers, and indulgent spa treatments. And finally, the health and fitness zone, another adults-only area, which immerses guests in industry-leading health, nutrition, and well-being therapies with diverse sauna rituals, spa therapies, and personalized nutrition advice. What sets Therme Manchester apart from typical spa resorts is its sustainability. The project's design utilizes air source heat pumps, photovoltaic systems for renewable energy, innovative water conservation technologies, and even on-site 3D printing of building components to reduce waste and emissions. The carbon footprint per guest will be significantly lower than alternatives like overseas travel or traditional spa experiences. With construction now underway in 2026 and completion scheduled for the end of 2028, Therme Manchester represents not just a spa, it's a completely new category of urban wellness destination that will attract visitors from across the UK and Europe. Now, let's take a look at a building so ambitious, it required Hollywood backing to make it real. This is Viaduct 2, soon to be known as Nobu Manchester, and it's about to become the UK's tallest building outside of London. On November 12, 2025, something remarkable happened in Manchester. Robert De Niro, the Hollywood legend from The Godfather, Taxi Driver, and Raging Bull, stood on a construction site in Deansgate alongside chef Nobu Matsuhisa and broke ground on a £360 million vertical landmark that will transform Manchester's skyline. The project will rise 76 stories and reach 246 meters above the ground, making it the fourth tallest building in the entire United Kingdom, behind the Shard, 1 Undershaft, and 22 Bishopsgate, all of which are in London. Designed by Manchester-born architects Simpson Haw, the tower will be elevated above ground, with its foundations constructed beneath a retained Victorian archway. This is structural engineering at its best. At street level and throughout the lower floors, a signature Nobu restaurant and bar will bring the globally acclaimed dining experience, loved by A-list celebrities worldwide, to Manchester for the first time outside of London. Rising above that, a 160-room Nobu Hotel will offer luxury accommodation with sophisticated event spaces and meeting rooms, all featuring the brand's signature minimalist, Japanese-inspired design. Sales of studios as well as 1- and 2-bedroom apartments are expected to launch in early 2026, with entry prices starting around £500,000. Alongside the 76-story tower, a separate 23-story building on Great Bridgewater Street will deliver 133 new apartments aimed at the affordable homes market. We now ascend to one of Manchester's most unique spaces, a Victorian railway viaduct transformed into an elevated urban park. The Castlefield Viaduct Sky Park opened in 2023 as Phase 1, offering visitors a 150-meter journey through gardens and green spaces suspended above the historic Castlefield area. But that was just the beginning. In 2025, the National Trust secured significant funding for Phase 2, an expansion that will more than double the accessible space and create something truly extraordinary for Manchester city centre. The expansion will extend the walkable viaduct from 150 meters to the full 330-meter length of the structure. Currently, visitors walk through beautifully designed gardens before reaching a glass wall, beyond which lies an untouched section. Phase 2 will transform that untouched section into an accessible space. Interestingly, the expansion will include several new entry and exit points, creating better connectivity with surrounding areas. Also, a new walkway will give pedestrian and cyclist access towards Salford and Trafford, linking multiple boroughs through this elevated green corridor. Phase 2 plans incorporate elements that have already proven successful elsewhere. Remember the WaterAid gold medal-winning garden from the RHS Chelsea Flower Show? That's being relocated to the Castlefield Viaduct as part of this expansion, bringing award-winning garden design to the Manchester public. With a projected opening date of summer 2026, Phase 2 represents the National Trust's long-term vision for creating a unique urban nature experience that connects people with heritage, horticulture, and each other. There you have it, the biggest mega projects that will change Greater Manchester in 2026. Kindly share your thoughts with us in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Until next time.